Monoral. Today I'm going to discuss about the profiles and personas. Here I'm going to discuss about the general descriptions based on the data. While personas are fictional, in-depth representatives of target users, including their goals, behaviors, and motivations to help designers empathize and create user-centric experiences. So, what is mean by profiles? So, the profile represents the broad overview of user characters based on the data and statistics. Focus on demographics, behaviors, and general needs. And general needs. The example, our average users is a 30 years old professional with bachelor's degree who lives in a city and uses the smartphone for daily tasks. So next one is personas are fictional, semi-real characters that represent segment of your target audience. Include detailed information about their goals, motivations, behaviors, and pain points. So, example, Sarah, a 35 years old marketing manager struggling to manage their uh, time effectively and seeks a tool that can help her organize their tasks and projects effectively. The names and photos. Give the personas and the name and photos to make them feel and relatable. So demographics, including age, gender, location, occupations, and other relevant background information. So goals and needs outlines what the persona wants to achieve and what their needs are. So the pain points, identify the challenge and frustrations of the persona's faces. So behavior patterns describe how the persona typically interacts with the products or basics. So quotes, including a few quotes that captures the personas personally and the perspectives. Examples of personas. Sarah, the busy professionals, a 35 years old marketing manager who is constantly juggling multiple projects and needs tools to help the stay organized on the track. So David, the tech-savvy student, the 20 years old college student who really heavily on the technology for studying and socializing and needs reliable and user-friendly platforms for online learning. So Maria, the senior citizens, a 70 years old retired teacher who is new to technology and needs a simple and intuitive interface for accessing online information and communicating with his family. So here it is the principal informations. So components of architecture, informations architectures. So here it is a group of related content and establishing the hierarchy for easy access, the navigation design, designing initiative navigations menus, and the pathways for users to navigate in the site or app. So the labeling systems using clear and consistent labels for navigating elements and content categories. The search functionality, implementing the effective search features to help users and find specific information quickly. So the benefit of information architecture is the enhanced user experience and the clear IA leads to initiative navigations and reduces user frustrations. So content management. Well organized IA makes it easy to manage and update the content. To improve site or app accessibility. Accessible IA ensures that all users, including those with disabilities, can navigate the digital space effectively. Introductions to wireframes. Here, it is a skeletal outlines of website or app focusing on layout functionality without design elements. Purpose in the design process. Wireframes helps visualize the structure and flows of a digital product, allowing for early feedback and iterations. Types of wireframes. Low fidelity wireframes focus on basic layout, while high fidelity frames include more detailed functionality. So creating a wireframe, it is ideal for using for user persona. The tools and softwares for wireframing, the popular include Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and Walls. Best practice for wireframe design. Keep wireframes simple and focused on functionality. Use placeholder content and collaborate with stakeholders for feedback. So collaboration and feedback process involve team members, stakeholders, and users in the wireframing process to gather insights and improve the usability. Importance of wireframe in design. It is a visualizing site or art structures. It has provides a visual representatives of the site or app structures, helping the designers and stakeholders and to understand the layout and flow of the uh, structures of wireframes. So it is an user interaction points. And it has highly highlighted key interaction points such as buttons, links, and forms, allowing designers to optimize the user pathways. So here the conclusion is to about the wireframes is summarize the importance of IA and wireframes in centric use of user-centric digital experiences. Centric products is empathize the role of IA and the wireframes in designing products that meet user needs and expectations. So encourage the audience members to explore IA and wireframing techniques further and apply them in own design products. Thank you.